Hi friends, today we're going to draw a rose.
That's right, me and Summer are going to draw a really nice easy rose. So this is a good one to follow along.
Yeah.
Hope you grab your drawing supplies and follow with us. And what do they need, Summer?
Sharpies, paper and alcohol markers.
Sharpies, some paper and some alcohol markers, but you can always use whatever you...
You can't draw on the table.
No, that's right, we can't draw on the table.
Yeah.
That's why we've got our nice little drawing mat here as well. So follow along with us. You ready to draw a nice rose?
Yes.
Let's do this. High five for you. Let's go. All right, so we're gonna start with the bottom of our rose. We're gonna draw something that looks like the letter U, like a R, and it's gonna go a little bit wider
Like a
though.
smile.
Like a smile. Let's go ahead and draw a nice big smile here. So we're gonna come down, come around, and back up, just like that.
From here.
A little bit more out. There we go. You can start there.
Stop from here.
Yeah, and draw down, around, and up again. Around and up to that point. Very good. Perfect work. And now what we're going to do here is we're going to draw a curve from this side all the way across to that side. And it's going to be a curved line. So you can tilt your wrist a little bit when you draw it. So we're going to go
You can also
like that. You can try that. Very good. I like it. And on this side, we're going to draw this line coming up a little bit like that. Very good. And then here we're going to draw a curve and it's going to cross the middle of this line here. So we're going to draw a curve like that. That's it. Into the middle. Very good. Try to put a little bit more curve on it so it looks a little bit more realistic. But that's a good job though. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to draw...
so many curves on this one.
There's a lot of curves on this one, but it's not too difficult. We're just going to keep joining all the curves together. So on this side, we're going to draw kind of like the letter C, like a K. And it's going to come, but facing the other way. So it's going to come out here and back in. Can you try that? Good job, I like it. Next one, we're also going to do another C on the other side.
So tricky with the C.
It is a bit tricky, but you did a good job. We're going to go out and back in. So we're going to draw kind of like this. Out and back in like that.
Stop here.
Yeah. Good job. And now what we're going to do here is draw another curve. It's be kind of like another C here, but not as deep. And that's just going to come around to the middle of this line over here. So you go back round and join there. Perfect. Very good. And then what we're going to do is we're going to push this line a little bit up like that.
Why do we need to put it a little bit up?
Because it's going to make the next one. Next step, we're going to draw this one. I'm going to bring mine in a little bit and down. So just bring it down a little bit here. Very tricky, but we're doing a good job. And now we're going to draw a kind of like another C over here.
But slightly bigger.
Slightly smaller. And then join the line down.
Well, like a Nike.
Like a Nike. Like our shoes. Very clever.
Like shoes.
Very good. And next, we're going to draw a line that comes up and joins there. But it's kind of like an S shape. So we're going to go up and then like that.
From here?
Yes. Very good. It is tricky, but you're doing a good job.
S's start with my name.
Yes, Summer. That's right.
Summer.
That's right.
This is pizza. Pizza.
Next step, we are going to draw a line coming up like that on this edge here. So we just draw a little curved line coming up. Very good. And then we're going to draw this one coming back in again. So it's like layers of all the petals together.
Yeah.
Very good. And now we're going to draw this part like a K again. Very good. You can start on the point. Try to start on all the points. Sorry, I drew on your drawing. I'm sorry. And next, we're going to draw another one coming in. So up and down again.
Up and down.
Very good. It's getting there. And now we're going to draw the middle part. So we're going to draw a curve that comes up and curls around. like a spring a little bit. So it goes up like this.
Point. Spring.
Round.
Round.
And in.
And top.
Yes. And then you draw it like towards a circle in the middle and put a little loop in it. That's it. Very good. And then just on this side, we're just going to draw a little line going down like that. Very good. And then on this side, we're almost done. And we're going to draw kind of a petal that's coming around on this side. So it goes around over the top and down again. Very good. And one more on this side. Very good. Now we got the top part of our rose. Good job. Very tricky, but we did it. Now at the bottom, we're going to draw two little leaves coming out near the middle. So draw a little curve to a point. And then back up to the top. We are nearly done. Almost there. And then another leaf on the other side.
That's like me more bigger.
A little bit bigger. That's good. And then we're going to draw...
down.
It does look like it's falling down. We're going to draw kind of a straight line down, but we're going to put a little bit of a curve in it.
Like for it standing up.
Because the rose is standing up, that's right.
Yeah.
Okay, you ready to draw a line?
Yes.
So it goes down, curves a little bit. That's it. That's right. Very good. And let's draw on the other side, but we're going to stop. I'm going to put a reference point here. So I'm going to put mine over there so I know where to stop. Good job. So let's draw it from the top down to that reference point.
Why do we stop there?
Because we're going to draw a leaf at that point. So now we can draw a leaf coming straight out. So a line coming up. That's it. And now we're going to draw our leaf on the edge of this part here. So we're going to go down, up to a point, kind of like an S curve again. And then we can come back in.
This is making me hungry.
The rose is making you hungry?
This looks like a chocolate rose.
Oh, wow. Let's draw this line coming back in there. Good job. And then on this side, we're going to draw another leaf. Draw a line up again. So it's the same as we did for the first leaf, but we're just doing it on the other side. Good job. Very nice. And then draw a straight line in. And now we can curve the other way on this side. So our rose looks nice and natural. Very good. And we can start the line on the other side. Good job. And then we can just...
some details.
Stop that over there. For the leaf, we can draw a line down the middle of the leaf. And that's for some extra details. Like you got the veins on the leaf there. Very good. Yeah. Well, we have done our super nice roses. Good job. Are you ready to colour in?
Yes.
That's right. We're going to colour in and we're going to fast forward through our colouring. So you can always pause and catch up to see how we coloured in. You ready to go?
Yes.
High five for you. Good job. Well, Summer, we have done some super nice red roses. What do you think? You like them? Was that a fun lesson?
Too.
I really like yours. You did a good job. Really tricky to draw petals, but you did an awesome job. I hope you all followed along and really enjoyed the lesson. We would love to see your pictures. You can follow us on Instagram and you can send them through to us. And if you liked our little drawings, don't forget to give us a thumbs up.
Subscribe.
And subscribe. Catch you on the next drawing. Bye everyone. High five for you.
High
five for you.
And here's our picture.
Here's our picture. Boo.